Hello everyone. Today we are going to create a bootable USB for Windows 10. Now follow the instruction. First of all, we need to download our ISO file for Windows 10. So go to google.com and then we are going to type ISO file for Windows 10 download and just enter and click on first link, download Windows 10 disk image ISO file. Click on it and this website will be opened. Now drag down and you need to download tool now, and after clicking on it you will be able to download a media tool. I show you how your media tool will look like. In the downloads we have our media creation tool H uh, 21H2, and just double click on it and your process will be started. You need to just next click on next and your USB will be creating your bootable device.